Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's take a look again on the gold market. Here in the daily chart you can see that picture mostly stands the same. The pullback that I started recently, we discussed this yesterday, and we said that market should stay above some levels to keep the short-term bullish context. If market will able to do this, we expect that it should test the next resistance clusters around 1825 area is our target on the hourly chart. If in turn it will not be possible and market will drop below this area, forming maybe bearish reversal swing, it means that, well, potentially the bullish context will exist and theoretically it could proceed higher later, but for a short term it just means that the market probably will show the deep retracement here at least. So that's why it's a lot of things depend currently on the level our market stands right now. So currently on this trading session you can see it stands inside one to the previous level, previous candle, and brings nothing new by far to the overall picture, but still a few moments exist here that we need to pay attention to. On the 4-hour time frame chart, as you can see that as we said, this market probably could retest the previous top and the upper border of the former flag consolidation that has been broken here. So now market stands at very important and tricky moment. It's vital area for a market, and it has to stay above it to keep the bullish context. So it means simultaneously that this area is perfect for considering taking the long position in terms of the risk. So because here you could place very near standing stop orders. This area doesn't guarantee you that you will definitely succeed, because we do not know what the market will be able to hold here, stay here, and continue upward direction or not. But at least you could place very tight stop. So, additionally, the second moment, as I said, that this is vital point. So in the case of the downward breakout or the turning back of the price inside of the flag, it tells you that we should be prepared for a deeper downside action. So that's why this point is very important. Now let's take a look at the targets. Let's say that market will be able to stay here and hold this retracement. In this case, potentially, here is the free drive, 1618 free drive might be formed, because you can see that market keeps ratios very accurately. So this stops at 1618 of the previous retracement, and if this pattern repeats, you could see that 1618 stands at 1826. That led market to complete the hourly XOP target, and simultaneously leads market to the resistance levels that we have on the daily, so 1820, 1828. So this will be the nearest target and destination point for the market. On the hourly chart, that's our XOP that we have, this ABCD pattern. And here as well, market stands, as I said, at an important level. So yesterday we talked about this confluence, 1783, 1788. We said that that will be vital point, and market should stay above it. So that's why here you could act differently. For instance, you could place stops below this area and be watching for possible patterns that might be forming here on the lower time frames. Once you will get the bullish reversal pattern, you could consider position taken with the stops below the confluence. So that's approximately that you could do currently with if you would like to possess yourself for the upper continuation. For taking the short position, I would prefer to see the more signs of the bearish breakout. So, for example, in general, we could say that this is we have to get, if we would like to consider short-term bearish position, is the downside breakouts of this area and return price back inside of the flag consolidation. That will be bearish, and in this case, for short-term trading, it might be possible to consider taking the short position. So currently, that's approximately the background that we have on the gold market.